Rahman Rahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear cadets. Welcome to the new lecture. Our topic is another type of nucleotides, that is dinucleotides. In the previous lecture we studied about mononucleotides. Now di means two. What are dinucleotides? When two nucleotides join together, they form dinucleotide. Now what are adenine dinucleotide? So if a dinucleotide contains adenine as a nitrogenous base, then it will be called as adenine dinucleotide. The adenine now coenzymes, what are coenzymes? The adenine dinucleotide in combination with different vitamins, form important compounds called coenzymes. The adenine dinucleotide in combination with different vitamins form important compounds called coenzymes. Examples of coenzymes: three important coenzymes are NAD, NADP and FAD. NAD. AD stands for adenine dinucleotide, while N stands for nicotinamide. So nicotinamide is also known as nicotinic acid or niacin. It is actually vitamin B5. So in this case, adenine dinucleotide in combination with nicotinic acid or niacin, that is vitamin B5, form an important coenzyme which is called nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide or NAD. NADP, one form of NAD, also carries a phosphate with it, so it is called NADP. It is also a form of NAD coenzyme, but it carries phosphate with it, so it is called NADP. Another and third important coenzyme is FAD. FAD, again AD is adenine dinucleotide, and F stands for riboflavin. Riboflavin is another vitamin, that is vitamin B2. So here in this case, adenine dinucleotide in combination with vitamin B2 or riboflavin form an important coenzyme that is called FAD, which stands for flavin adenine dinucleotide or vitamin B2. So we can say that coenzymes are vitamins or derivatives of vitamins. Or we can say that vitamins form the raw material for coenzymes. Forms of coenzymes. Coenzymes can exist in two forms, that is in oxidized form and reduced form. In oxidized form, they function as hydrogen acceptor. These are its oxidized forms: NAD plus, NADP plus, FAD plus. And its reduced forms are, in oxidized form they function as hydrogen acceptor, so when they gain a hydrogen or accept hydrogen, so they become reduced, that is NADH2, NADPH2 and FADH2. As earlier I told you that NAD is a coenzyme that takes electrons and hydrogen ions, that is hydrogen, and is thus reduced to NADH2. One form of this coenzyme also carries phosphate with it, so it's called NADP+. On the other hand, FAD is also a coenzyme like NAD. It gets two hydrogen and reduced to FADH2. Now, function or role of coenzymes. NAD and FAD both are active in electron transport chain of respiration and act as hydrogen carriers. In the process, they are alternately reduced, that is gain electrons, and oxidize, lose electrons. That is, in other words, coenzymes are the agents of oxidation reduction or redox reactions.